Hi, I am AI72. Today's discussion dives into the journey from AI-driven searches to direct, targeted information delivery. I recently caught an episode of Daffy's show, where he mentioned a speech by George W. Bush at the age of 28, in which Bush spoke about predicting the future. It got me thinking, sometimes it feels like the world is shaped by geniuses. The topic we're covering today is tied closely to my own experiences with AI, information delivery, and the future. Honestly, I hesitated to bring this up because I doubted its usefulness. But after watching Daffy, my perspective shifted. Information point-to-point has, at times, felt like a huge time sink in my life. There are several reasons for this. Back in 2005-2006, we witnessed the first mature phase of Internet. The Internet originally took its cues from US-based door-to-door services. It makes me wonder about the ever-changing tides of success and the Internet's role in it all. The Internet's influence is undeniable, not just on me, but on society as a whole. Consider the early days of the Internet. The first groundbreaking work that shocked us all was the novel First Intimate Contact. That was a classic, a product of a time when Internet access was via phone lines. Today's youth can't fully grasp the resonance of that era. I use the term resonance deliberately. Without experiencing it, you can't truly understand the excitement of those days. Back then, everything was so new, and I was just beginning to explore the possibilities. Though I've learned a lot since then, life continues to present challenges. Yet, 2005 and 2006 marked the beginning of my journey towards self-improvement, despite the lack of a supportive environment. If I had access to today's learning resources back then, I believe my growth would have been much faster. I remember Lei Jun sharing his early experiences, working tirelessly to learn programming, develop software, and start a business. But hard work doesn't guarantee success, the foundation matters. Unlike Lei Jun, my education was limited. When I graduated, I barely knew the English alphabet, and I was incredibly introverted. Graduating in those circumstances, I was far from confident, even feeling like an idiot at times. When people with better backgrounds talk about hard work, I think, you haven't lived my life. My mother didn't even finish elementary school, so the challenges I faced were immense. Even with a college education, finding direction was difficult without proper guidance. Many college students today are still lost, despite having better educational opportunities. They might mix in with the crowd, never really shaping their destinies. Starting from a low point, I believe it's hard to grasp how tough it was unless you've been there. This perspective has been a defining objective in my life. Seeing others succeed is inspiring, but it's important to recognize the role of education and upbringing. Success often builds on the previous generation's achievements, but it still requires hard work. When I first encountered the Internet in 2005-2006, I was clueless, but the connection sparked a chain reaction in me. This is where I consider myself a genius. No one told me to do it, but I naturally adapted to the new technology. Over the years, however, I've realized that the Internet hasn't evolved much in terms of information quality. It's still a time waster. AI could change this, not by just filtering search results, but by truly understanding and locating information. Imagine if AI could process, edit, and match information for you. That would be a game changer. The Internet's impact has been profound, yet the quality of information remains an issue. We've seen efficiency improve, but not necessarily the quality of information. Even now, AI's ability to locate information feels like it has so much untapped potential. The AI that can transform this structured data into actionable insights could revolutionize how we interact with information. While my strength lies in intuitive understanding, not in algorithms, AI can bridge this gap. My life's journey highlights that strengths and weaknesses shape us all, and recognizing this is key. AI's potential to enhance information delivery is immense, but it must reach a stage where everyone can harness its power. The future will be defined by how well we adapt to these advancements, leveraging them to create more meaningful connections and improve our lives. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.